Hey guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I wanted to do a little bit of an updated makeup routine. I tried to film this yesterday and the lighting was off. She was not cute. She was dark in the background, so I came in a smaller room, lit it up, and yeah, so we're gonna try to redo this. Hopefully it works. But if you're new here, my name is Marissa. I'm 27 years old. I make lifestyle vlog type videos. Yeah, so if you like what you see, definitely subscribe, like, let me know if there's any videos in particular that you want to see. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Marissa Mizell. I'll have all of my socials linked down below. Plot twist, I really only have Instagram and YouTube. So anyways, let's jump right into today's video. This is just my updated, a little bit more in depth than like the 5-minute makeup routine that I did a couple of months ago. So let's get started. I'm gonna zoom you in here. Okay, tuck my hair. Earlier I looked a little too much like Abraham Lincoln's wife. My hair was not it. Still really not it, but I'd rather you be able to like see what I'm trying to do. Okay, so starting out, I'm going in with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. Just gonna take it on my hands. Really focus on the top parts of my eyes because that's really what I'm trying to ensure doesn't move. Throughout the day, my lashes will hit and it transfers off, and so not cute. Now that I have that layer taken care of, I'm going to go on and move on to foundation. For foundation, I've been mixing the YSL Touche Claw. I have it in B40. It is a little too light though, so I have been adding some of this Laura Mercier, the tinted moisturizer, but the illuminating one in Natural Radiance. I forgot, actually, I'm going to go in and prime the skin with the Smashbox Original Primer. I really just kind of want to focus this right in this area. So now I'm just taking my foundation brush . Okay, I had to zoom you out a tad because I felt like you could see up my nostrils into my frontal lobe. I felt like it was a little too close. Now going in for concealer, I'm using the Makeup Forever HD Concealer in shade 30.5. And I do my concealer a little bit different now. I saw a technique on TikTok to help kind of lift your face, and I have definitely noticed a huge difference ever since I started doing it. I'm sure you guys are aware that what's really in right now is kind of that like super pulled back look, and this concealer technique really helps that. You don't bring anything too low, you kind of keep it above your apples of your cheeks and up. That way it will really kind of lift the face versus bringing it down and dragging it in. Get what I'm saying? If not, you'll see. But so we're just going to do a touch in here and then like this. Whereas before it would go all the way down here and then all the way up, so then you're really dragging the face down here and then kind of going up. So we're completely just keeping it raised and then out to the side. Like so. Alright, so you guys can kind of see the new spots where I'm putting the concealer. I feel like the light's really bright on this side. Now I'm going to go with my same foundation brush and tap it all in. Look at the before and after of the darkness. Pretty wild. Now I'm going in with the It Cosmetics Bronze Glow. So again, not bringing anything too low, going back in with my foundation brush and tapping it all in so there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and kind of smooth out the eyes. And then set that with the Hourglass Veil powder. First, I'm going to go in with that same veil powder on a Real Techniques 227, and I'm just going to kind of lightly set the bottom. And then after I have that set, I'm going to go in with a Makeup Forever, the HD powder in medium on my beauty blender and just kind of cut my lower back right there. I'm going to take that same technique brush with nothing on it and kind of fade it in so it's not too much of a harsh line, but it did kind of create that definition, as you can kind of tell the difference, just ever so slightly, but still a difference. And then I don't really want to bake with it or anything, so I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it off. You can see I kind of left that. Go ahead and do the same thing with the eyes. Now I'm going to go with my Persona Identity 2 palette in my Morphe M511. I'm taking the shade Loyal. You see it's just like a brown color. Very neutral, but comes off more warm, I feel like, when it's on your skin. So I'm going to take it, and instead of bringing it all the way down, whenever I get to about here, I'm just going to kind of, you know, not bring it all the way down, because the point of this is I really want to lift the face, and so if you keep just dragging everything down, that's like you're defeating your hard work. You know what I'm saying? T, don't play yourself. Just like this. Oh, also I added a little more because I felt like it was not as sharp as I wanted it to be. So I did. I don't want you to think that's a harsh line. I know it's there, girl. I'm going to take a little Sigma E85, just a little bit of an angled brush, again with that same palette and the shade Resilient. I'm going to need a mirror really close to me for this one, but all I'm going to do is create a little wing going up and out to, again, aid in lifting the face, and do it really lightly with just like a light brown, nothing crazy. I don't want like a stark wing, just like a little addition with eyeshadow. So kind of like that, and then fade in. So you just kind of see, again, just lifting the eye. Now I'm going to go in with Loyal. Just take that on my pinky. And I'm stopping at the high point of my eye. And now for brows, I'm going with the Maybelline Great Lash. It's just a clear mascara, and I just used it on my brows. So what I'm gonna do, you can zoom you in. So I'm going to brush up and over. So you can tell the difference. No brow product to push them up and over. Then I'm going to take the Benefit Give Me Brow while they're still wet and just add a touch of color. I don't want to add a ton of this because I don't want it to look like chalky or powdery. I want it to look like brow hairs more so than just like a brow product is in them. And now I'm going to go back in with that same clear brow gel, get off a lot of the product, and then just kind of coat over them one more time. And brows are done. Now back to skin. I'm going to go in with the Becca Cosmetics bronzer in Bondi Sands on a Morphe M427. Again, keeping it high and not bringing it down here, so up on the cheekbone. Now I'm going to Sigma F20 in the same bronzer. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe M310, a fan brush, and MAC Melba blush. Going to dip it in like this and keep it high on the cheeks. And just kind of brush it. Okay, I'm going to clean my lips off. Going in with the Kylie Cosmetics Candy K lip. Doing a little bit of this. So now that I have that on, I'm just going to go in and define the edges a little bit more with the NYX Peekaboo Neutral Lip Liner. And lastly, I'm going to do this off camera. I just have to do my mascara. I use the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. So I'll be right back. This is the final look. Our face snatched, lifted. Thank you guys again so much for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more vlog style, lifestyle videos, vlog type. Lifestyle? I don't know. But I do clothing, beauty, skincare, food, day in the life. You get it. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful week, wonderful weekend whenever I end up putting this out. And if you try out any of these new techniques, let me know how they work for you, if you like them, or if you have any new techniques that you are just loving, thriving, changed your life. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Have my foundation on. Again, it's at the, okay, I tried to move the camera a little bit because I felt like the light on this side was real harsh on my face, and then there was no love on this side, so